Morning folks. What a day. What a place to be. Just look at it. So still at Longleat, and it's Tuesday morning and it's so quiet. I should think this will get really busy in the school holidays, but at the moment it's just right. Not many people up this end because this toilet block, or one of them at this end, is closed. This one is a wash block, but it's got a few toilets in the end, and then the main one is up there, and that's where most of the people are camping. Can't be bothered to walk. But this is really, really quiet. Apart from the odd banging noise, there's some building works going on in Longleat. Sea lions were making a noise during the night. But you can't beat this, nice and quiet. I made the mistake of going to Scarborough last August on my way up to Scotland, and that was a big mistake. That was mid-late August. Not quite the bank holiday, I don't think, but well, that was full of kids, and it wasn't quiet, shall we say. But this is quiet now, off season, obviously the place to go. £17 I think I'm paying for this. It's okay, and I would normally in the summer not have electric and go on the grass. I think the minimum I've paid at a camping caravanning club site was about £5. So they do offer discounts, 30% off for seniors. As for free camping, wild camping, I've done it a couple of times. You may have seen the one I did at Stonehenge. That was okay because there are plenty of other like-minded people around. In terms of stopping anywhere in a car park, I'm not very keen on that at the moment. It's more the van. If you go off for a walk, is the van safe? That's always in my mind. You want to get back to it as quick as possible, so it stops the enjoyment of the walk really. But maybe one day. I say quite happy to, in the summer, just use solar. I've got what, 150 watt solar panel, 2 leisure batteries, I think they're 200 amp hours together, so plenty of juice. I've never had any problems with the power. So, oh, squishy bit. So I'm back out the site. Didn't film much yesterday. I'll go into that a little bit. But today I'm going to do a walk up a hill. So as you come out the campsite, you go back onto the road. But there is a wooded area just outside the site here, which I'll turn you around in a minute, and it leads up to a Hillfort, Roddenberry Hill, I think it's called. So I'm going to have an explore up there. Bye bye Mr. Longleat man, and see if we can check out this Hillfort. and then come back, and then maybe this afternoon get on my bike again to finish off what I tried to do yesterday. Right, let's see if I can get across this road without getting killed. Right, this is where I'm going to head. Up the top there. So I've come a little bit further, maybe this is it. This is, I can see at least half a bank going around this side. There's a ditch just in front of me here. There's a path which goes through there, which could have been an entrance gate. East to the east. Yeah, let's have a look inside there. Yeah, so I'm standing on the entrance gate. Another ditch just in the middle with banks here. I'll just go up to this bank. So this would have been an entrance gate. And the bank heads off around that way. Yeah, we've got the bank heading all the way around there. Kids have built a den. So this is the bank going around the south side here. Very steep drops. And then this continues around there. So this is going to be difficult to see, but right in the middle of the screen, just in the foreground of that house, is a small earth mound. So that on the map is called Hales Castle. Again, an old Hillfort, maybe, very small, or maybe a medieval motte, which is a mound. I'll zoom in, see if we can get a better look at it. They're basically full width of the screen, earthworks, with some sort of mud, straw on this edge of it. So it's another monument in a private field. I can't get at it, never mind. I think I must be in the right direction now. Looks to be Longleat House over there. And that's my path or track to take me back to campsite. So that was pretty cool. Good walk, a few hours, 2-3 miles, something like that. So heading back for a spot of lunch, and might get my bicycle out again this afternoon. So I'm going to go back up this road to that particular entrance and see if I can get through. Anyway, the weather's nice, so get on a bike and just go for a mosey, see where I end up again. But I'm not doing 16 miles like I did yesterday. So we'll see how I get on.